Welcome to Jared's Bike Checks, where motorized bikes are a way of life. Let's get to it. So what we have here is a wall goose deception. It's a 29er. It's something out of my bike pile, something I threw up on the roof. Got the big mega comfort jail seat. It's got front and rear disc brakes. It's just a big boy bike. Just a nice big boy bike. The Bridgestone Performance here, guys, I just can't ride that thing. It's just too small for me. I mean, I'm a big guy. That's a 15-inch bike. This is it's more like a 20-inch bike. So yeah, I'm gonna slap that motor on it and knock this out and take some crazy trip on it. I didn't bring you in here before I had it torn apart, but I had it torn apart for a good while there during today. Stripped it down, took off the stickers, rebuilt the wheels, got the seat post, everything, got everything rigged up now. It's ready for final, putting the cables back on it and rigging the motor back on it. So yeah, first I gotta turn it into a pedal bike again and then get that motor thing put back on it. Take one more quick look at both those different bikes. A quick look at that. Watch this. That's the difference. I mean, just bigger in every way. Swallows up that little bike. Alright, well, since how y'all got a white bike, I got a white bike too. So let's motorize that thing. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.